Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to quickly show you how to cancel order on Zalando. So let's get into the video. So open up Zalando and log into your account. You need to log into your account for this. So once you've logged into your account, so what are you going to do? You're going to hit on your profile here on your top right here, click on profile. And then when you get to this option here, so simply you're going to go to your orders option here. So simply tap on orders under your account. So just click on orders. So when you get to orders here, you will see all your orders that you have placed. Like I have none because I didn't place any orders. So you'll see your orders here. So simply if you want to cancel an order, simply tap on the order that you wish to cancel, and then next to it you will see an option called view/cancel order. So all you have to simply do is simply, once you have opened it up, simply hit on the cancel order or cancel items and then follow, and then it's going to, once you hit on it, and it's going to ask you for a reason for your cancellation. So just give an appropriate reason and then just proceed with the steps in order to complete the cancellation process. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.